Hello students, as we know in earlier video lecture we have studied about the pixel neighborhoods. With that we have studied about the pixel adjacencies and all. In this video we are going to further start the discussion with a new topic, that is distance measure. It is also based on pixel neighborhood and all. So here in this video we are going to discuss about a distance measure in digital image processing or in a digital image. Okay. So what is the meaning of a distance measure? We are going to first see the properties of a distance measure, and according to that property we have three different formulas for a distance measure, that is Euclidean distance, city block distance and chessboard distance, and according to that we are able to find out the distance between two pixels. Okay, so before that we first have to learn the properties of a distance measure. Consider this diagram where we have represented three different pixels, that is P, Q and Z. For pixels P, Q and Z with a coordinate value, that is P have x, y coordinate, Q have s, t and Z have u, v. And for this, if we want to find out the distance between Z and Q and P and T and Z, for that consider the distance function that is given as D. D is a distance function. Now here in a distance measure we have total three different properties there. Property number 1, distance between P and Q is always greater than equals to 0. What it means? This is our P and this is our Q. So distance between P and Q is always need to be greater than 0. What it means? It never need to be equal or it never need to be same. Okay? It always need to be greater than equals to 0. Then the second property says that distance between P, Q is equals to 0. What it means? Distance between P and Q need to be equals to be 0. When? If condition is there, if P is equals to Q. If we are considering this Q as a P, then distance between P and Q is going to be a 0. At a special condition when we are considering P is equals to Q. Okay. Then third property is there. Distance between P and Z means distance between this pixel P and this pixel Z it always need to be less than or equals to distance between P and Q plus distance between Q and Z. If we think distance between P and Z and distance between P and Q, the both distance is greater than as compared to distance between P and Z. So distance between P and Z is they always less than distance between P and Z plus Q or P and Q. So this is nothing but the next property. It is further divided into three types. This distance measure have three different types. That is, number 1 we have a city block distance, which is also called as a D4. Second, we have a chessboard distance, that is D8. And third, we have Euclidean distance, which is represented as DE. If we want to calculate the distance between multiple pixels, we have these formulas for calculating that. That is nothing but the city block distance, chessboard distance, and Euclidean distance. So how examiner used to ask you the question, ask you the numerical is what solved here. Okay? If we want to calculate the distance between multiple pixels, so first we have to take the input image. Consider this is the input image where we have x coordinate and y coordinate. On this y coordinate, we are considering a pixel P, coordinate of that x, y. So what is the value of x, y here? On an x coordinate, this 2 is on 0 and y coordinate of this is 2. So 0, 2. Similar, second pixel what we are considering, that is Q. Q is located on x axis where the x is nothing but an x coordinate. So x coordinate value is 3 and it is located on a 0. So t value is 0. So 3, 0. So given क्या है? The data is there, that is Q s of t is equal to 3, 0. That is we have here 3, 0. Then t we have x, y, that is 0, given data for this given image. Now, calculate the city block distance, chessboard distance, and Euclidean distance according to this given data. So we have three different formulas for that. First, we have D4. What is the meaning of D4? D4 is nothing but the city block distance. To calculate the city block distance, D4 of P, Q is equal to x mod of x minus s plus mod of y minus t. Similar, if we want to calculate the Euclidean distance, the formula for that is in bracket we have x minus s square plus y minus t square of raised to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but the formula for calculating Euclidean distance. Now, third we have chessboard distance. The formula for chessboard distance is max of mod of x minus s comma y minus t. So, maximum value between mod of x minus s and mod of y minus t is ultimately going to be a chessboard distance that is given by D8. So simply add the values of x, y, s and t. So what is the value of x, y, s and t is what given here. Q of s comma t is 3 comma 0 and t of x comma y is 0 comma 2. So first we are going to find out the distance, that is our city block distance given by D4. So formula for that, D4 Q of P is equal to mod of x minus s plus y minus t. So value of x is 0, minus 3, s value is 3, plus y minus t, the value of y is 2 and value of t is 0. So mod of 0 minus 3 is 3 and mod of 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So what is that? D4? D4 is 5. What it means? The city block distance of this pixel between P and Q is given by 5. Similar, if we want to find out a chessboard distance, the chessboard distance is given as D8. It is given as D8. So formula for D8, P of Q is equal to max of mod of x minus s comma y minus t. So put the value of x is 0, value of s is 3. Similar, value of y is 3 and value of t is 0. So, 0 mod of 0 minus 3 is 3 and mod of 2 minus 0 is 2. So, between 3 and 2, 3 is maximum value. So, output is max 3. So, D8 distance is max 3. City block distance of this given pixels between this given pixel P and Q is nothing but 3. Okay, then we have a Euclidean distance. What is the formula for Euclidean distance? We can find out the Euclidean distance between P and Q by using this formula, that is in bracket x minus s square plus y minus t square raised to the power 1 by 2. Now we know that raised to the power 1 by 2 can be written as in the value of under root. We can arrange this whole function into a under root. Okay, so simply Euclidean distance D of Q is equal to under root of x minus s square plus y minus t square. So simply value of x is 0, value of s is 3. So 0 minus 3 square plus value of y is 2, value of t is 0 square. So 2 minus 0 square is nothing but 2 square and 3 square. So addition of 3 and 2 is nothing but 9 plus 4. Okay, so 9 plus 4 is nothing but under root of 13. So Euclidean distance between P and Q we have find it as the under root of 13. So this is nothing but the distance measure where we can find out the chessboard distance, city block distance and Euclidean distance between 2 pixels or 3 pixels by using the formulas of city block distance, chessboard distance and your Euclidean distance. So, in further video, we are going to start a numerical problems on a digital image processing on first unit. In this video, we have studied in detail about the distance measure